Hi guys, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? We are cooking corn beef sauce. Yes, corn beef sauce. Now the first thing, I'm blending the pepper. Yes, I mixed long pepper, bell pepper, onions. I mix all together. This is vegetable oil. Added slightly bit of onions and my pepper and no cube. And this is curry. Yes, curry, thyme. Yes, I'm adding that. I'm adding nutmeg. Yes, and a bit of garlic and ginger. Yes. So I'm stirring it all together. So I'm going to leave it for some minutes before adding the corned beef. Yes, this is corned beef. So we're going to follow this for some minutes now. As you can see, our corned beef stew is almost ready. Let's add salt to taste. Yes, so leave it for a while, and before you know it, our sauce is ready. Please guys, if you're just joining my page, please kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your like, your comment keep me going. And for this sauce, I want to use it with boiled plantain. Thank you. Bye.